Are you ready to seize the opportunities that await you? Launch Engine Pro is not just a tool, it's your dedicated companion, providing practical advice and innovative solutions to drive your enterprise to success. Each week, we delve into new frontiers of AI technology, delivering insights into digital marketing, customer engagement, and operational efficiency. With our community supporting you, you'll gain the confidence to experiment and implement these strategies. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an established business owner, there's always something new to discover. Imagine the possibilities as you unlock powerful applications that streamline your workflow and enhance customer experiences, making your business more agile and responsive. Together, let's embark on this transformative journey where creativity meets technology. Join us to explore vital resources that will keep you ahead of the competition and elevate your business aspirations. Now is the perfect time to take action and turn your dreams into reality with Launch Engine Pro by your side. Each episode is designed to empower you, ensuring that you not only learn but also effectively apply these insights in your venture. From mastering the basics of AI integration to navigating complex algorithms, we promise a transformative experience tailored to your unique business goals. With us, your vision will become clearer and more attainable. As you start this exciting journey with Launch Engine Pro, remember that each step toward understanding AI is a step closer to realizing your dreams. Embrace both challenges and opportunities. Together, we will create a future filled with innovation and success that reflects your entrepreneurial spirit.